How many times do you post the same Etsy item? I mean, variations of the same listing with changes, title, and images and tags. So I don't really change the title, don't really change the tags. I change the images, maybe 3. Honestly, like, this is the biggest misconception. The reason why you're saying title and tags is relevant to search engine optimization. SEO on Etsy is kind of this thing everyone speaks about, like Etsy YouTubers speak about. Pretty much all of it is bollocks. Doesn't really matter that much. It's just not really how it works. I'm not saying it doesn't matter at all, but what I'm saying is, like, changing and trying to optimize your SEO isn't the thing that is going to improve your sales the most. The thing that is going to improve your sales the most is product imagery and products, right? So if you list better, more unique, interesting products and double down on the products that are working, you will see more results. If you list better product imagery and you split test product imagery, it's going to work better and your store is going to skyrocket. So those are the 2 things you should focus on. Don't worry about tags and SEO and titles and bullshit like that.